Welcome to Real Life English. Today's video is about renting a car for a road trip. You will learn useful English for picking up a rental car. Let's get started. Emma, look, there's the rental car counter. Should I do the talking?
Sure, go ahead. I'll just listen.
Okay, here we go. Hi, good morning. I have a reservation under the name Leo Parker. A reservation just means I already booked this car online.
Good morning, sir. Let me check that for you. Can I see your confirmation number?
Yes, of course. Here it is, on my phone.
Perfect. I found your booking. You booked a compact car for 5 days. Is that correct? A compact car is a small car, easy to drive and easy to park.
Yes, that's right. 5 days starting today.
Great. I just need your driver's license and a credit card to start the process.
Wait, hold on a second. Emma, do you want an automatic car or is a manual okay for you?
Automatic, please. I don't really like driving manual on a long trip.
Got it. I'll ask her about that. Excuse me, we'd prefer an automatic car if that's possible.
No problem at all. We have a nice automatic sedan available. It's very comfortable for long drives.
That sounds good. What about insurance? What options do you have?
We have basic coverage and full coverage. Basic coverage means you pay a small amount if there's damage. Full coverage means the company pays for everything, even a small accident.
I see. So full coverage is safer for a road trip, right?
Exactly. Many people choose full coverage for long trips, just for peace of mind. That means you don't have to worry about anything.
Okay, let's go with full coverage then.
Great choice. I'll add that to your contract now.
Is there anything else I need from you?
Yes, I just need your signature here and here. This part confirms the rental dates, and this part confirms the insurance.
No problem. Where do I sign exactly?
Right at the bottom, next to the X mark. And could I also ask for a deposit? A deposit is a small amount of money we hold, just in case there's any damage to the car.
Sure, here's my card.
Thank you. That's all set. You'll get the deposit back when you return the car in good condition.
That's easy to understand. Thanks for explaining everything so clearly.
Of course, that's my job. Here are your keys and the contract. Enjoy your trip.
Thank you so much. Emma, before we go, let's check the car with her, okay?
Good idea. Actually, look, there's a small scratch on the door. Tell her about it.
All right, I'll mention it. Excuse me, before we leave, I noticed a small scratch on the door. That's a thin mark where the paint is damaged. Can we write that down?
Good catch. Yes, let's note that on the form so you won't be responsible for it later.
Thank you. Also, what's the fuel policy? Should I return it full?
Yes, please return the car with a full tank. If it's not full, we'll charge you for the missing fuel, plus a small service fee.
Understood. What about mileage? Is there a limit? Mileage means the number of miles you drive.
No limit at all. You can drive as far as you like.
That's great news for a road trip.
Enjoy your drive and have a safe trip.
Thank you, we will. Okay, we finally have the car. Are you ready for our road trip?
Yes, I've been looking forward to this all week.
Let's set up the GPS first. A GPS is the map on your phone that shows you the way. Where should we go first?
Let's take the coastal road. That's the road next to the ocean. It's longer, but the view is amazing.
Good idea. I'll type in the destination. It says we'll arrive in about 3 hours.
Perfect. That gives us time to stop and enjoy the scenery.
I love road trips like this. No schedule, just the road, and good music.
Me too. Can you turn on some music, please?
Sure. Here we go. Let's hit the road.
This is going to be a great trip.
We've been driving for almost 2 hours. Should we stop for gas?
Good idea. I could also use a break and a coffee.
There's a gas station just ahead. Let's stop there.
The weather is so nice today. Not too hot, and the sky is clear.
Perfect weather for driving. I'll fill up the tank while you get coffee.
Sounds good. Do you want anything?
Just a bottle of water, thanks.
Okay, I'll be right back.
This trip already feels so relaxing. Sometimes you just need a break from your daily routine, the things you do every day.
I agree completely. This is exactly what we needed.
We still have some time before it gets dark. Should we try something new?
What do you mean?
I just saw a signpost. It said there's a small waterfall nearby, only 15 minutes away. A signpost is the sign on the road that tells you where places are.
Really? That sounds interesting. Do we have time for a detour? A detour just means taking a different road for a short trip before going back to your main route.
I think so. It won't take long, and it might be worth seeing.
Let's do it then. I love finding places we didn't plan to visit.
Me too. That's actually my favorite part of a road trip, finding something unexpected.
Turn left at the next corner. The sign says it's this way.
Okay, here we are. Wow, look at that. The waterfall is bigger than I thought.
It's beautiful. I'm so glad we stopped.
See? Sometimes the best moments on a trip are the ones you don't plan.
I completely agree. This was definitely worth it.
All right, let's get back on the road. We still have a bit more driving to do.
Okay, let's go. I'm excited to see what else we'll find.
Look at that view. The ocean looks incredible from up here.
Wow, it's beautiful. Can we stop for a few pictures?
Of course. Let's park right here for a moment.
This is the best part of a road trip. You never know what beautiful place you'll find along the way.
I completely agree. Moments like this make all the planning worth it.
Should we continue to our destination now?
Yes, let's go. We still have a beautiful drive ahead of us. Great job! Today, you learned useful English for renting a car and going on a road trip. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more real-life English conversations. See you next time!